driving. So can you guys hear me? Can you guys see me? Can you guys dengar may suara? May suara. Because it says here that I have poor connection. I'm so sorry, guys. Mami Stella! Ma! Mami Stella, how are you? Apa kabar ya? I'm baik. Yeah, baik. Hope you guys, you too are baik too. Good too. Yeah. So, yeah guys, I cannot read all your comments nanti because my mata is on the road. If my mata is here, oh my god, so accident. I'm still trying to, to speak. Apa to speak in Bahasa? I forgot. Ako lupa. Yeah. Ako mo pergi to my doctor. Pergi is go, right? Go. Ako pergi. Hi, Kuya Drew. Hi, Miss Pia. Kuya Drew. Until, I don't know, because besok guys, ako muikot, pergi to my province, to my village. So, besok, early pagi, flight, jam 7, go to my province. My family, my ibu and papa are there. And my kaka, sister, yeah. So, because I have to visit them and visit my village too, yeah. It's raining here, guys. It's raining. It's hujan every day. Apa to every day? Hujan every day. So guys, please don't forget to follow subscribe to my YouTube channel because I will start vlogging again on my YouTube channel. So guys, you follow me, you subscribe on my YouTube channel, yeah. Terima kasih. Berapa tu? So I'm almost there, guys. Kuya Drew, magkita naman tayo. Kuya Drew, libre mo ko. Ng pagkain, yeah. Pero wag naman yung masyado marami kasi nagda-diet ako. I'm doing great, guys. Assalamualaikum. Alaikum assalam. So I'm now here at my doctor. I'm just gonna park my mobile outside. Oh, di sini.